Okay, ready?
Yeah, go.
Okay. Heads up, please. Okay, so when we're subtracting integers, we do the opposite, obviously, of when we're adding integers. So let's have a look at an example. So if we have negative 5 minus plus 6, again, we find a starting point. So what we do is we start at negative 5. So I'll look at negative 5, there it is. Now, here's the difference between adding and subtracting integers, okay? The minus sign, okay, so you read this minus sign between the two numbers as doing the opposite of the second number. For example, if it says here minus plus 6, instead of going up 6 steps, what do? We go down, exactly. Go down 6. So if we have 5 there, whoop, I might have to add a few more here. So we need to add 6. So 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Uh-oh, how many is that? So that's negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10, negative 11. Okay, so the answer is negative 11. So we do the opposite. Now let's do another example, because that's a little bit messy there. Let's do number 2. If we have negative 4 minus 8. Again, where do we start? Anyone? Start at negative 4. There it is, negative 4. Okay, let me just label that. Now, it says they're negative. So that's the sign between the two numbers. And then we do the opposite of the sign of the second number. So that's negative. So instead of going down, what do? We go up. Fantastic. Go up 8. So therefore, your answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 4. Okay, so that's for number 2. Can you see the pattern there? Okay. So when simplifying it, so every time you see opposite numbers like that, what do? You can replace it with a negative. If you have the same numbers, same sign, what do? You can replace those signs with a positive. Okay? So simplifying, let me just write it down here, you can copy it down. Simplifying addition and subtraction. Okay? So if you have a plus and a plus is the same as a plus, okay? If you have a plus and a minus is the same as a minus. What does minus and plus be? What can you change these as?
It's a plus.
No, negative and positive. It's negative, yeah? And negative gives you positive. Here's an example. If I have negative 5, like looking at this, negative 5 minus plus 6, okay? You can change that to a negative. So therefore that is the same as saying negative 5 minus 6. Okay? Let's look at this. Okay? So here we have negative and negative. You can replace the negative and negative with positive. So that equation there is the same as saying negative 4 plus 8. Okay? in verse number 3, no having then a third one. Any questions?